Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. So let's start with today's session. SDG Goal 17. SDG Goal 17 is the world's final SDG and it is different from all the others. Goal 17 talks about how we achieve them. It is the engine, the glue, the backbone, the team. Whatever word you prefer. SDG 17 is the goal that turns the dream of sustainable development into an actual reality. This goal answers one powerful question: can the world work together? And in the next few minutes, we are going to explore how partnerships between countries, governments, companies, startups, communities, schools, scientists, activists, and ordinary citizens are shaping the future of our planet. Now, what SDG 17 really means? SDG 17 is not a single idea. It is a collection of everything that helps countries support each other, from finance to technology, from trade to policies, from data to accountability. It is like the operating system for sustainable development. Without it, the other SDGs become disconnected apps that can't function properly. Goal 17 ensures international cooperation, fair trade, shared knowledge, capacity building, global financing, and coordinated action. It recognizes that no country, no business, no institution, and no individual can solve global problems alone. Our world is too interconnected, too complex, and too fast changing. Partnerships are the new part. Now let's discuss why SDG 17 is the most important goal. Imagine trying to solve climate change alone, or trying to build global peace alone, or trying to eliminate poverty with no help. Impossible. SDG 17 reminds us that all global goals are shared goals. Countries need financing to implement climate-friendly policies. Developing nations need technology to strengthen health systems. Scientists need global data to create vaccines, and communities need support to fight inequality. SDG 17 is the reason the SDGs have a chance. It is the ultimate teamwork goal, turning 193 countries into one global team. Now let's discuss about the partnerships in financing. Money matters, and development requires financing. SDG 17 focuses on mobilizing global funds, investment, development aid, and sustainable financial flows. This includes international lending, green bonds, technology investment, and capacity development funds. Many countries depend on development assistance for essential programs, from clean water to rural electrification. But SDG 17 pushes for fairer, smarter financing, helping poorer nations develop without drowning in debt. It encourages wealthy nations to contribute at least 0.7% of their GDP as official development assistance. It also promotes public-private partnerships, impact investment, and innovative financing instruments that prioritize people and the planet. Now, trade as a development tool. When trade is fair, it becomes a powerful engine for development. Goal 17 promotes global trade systems where poorer countries can compete, export, and grow. It pushes for reducing tariffs, simplifying trade procedures, and opening markets so developing countries can sell their products worldwide. Fair trade is not charity, it is equal opportunity. Imagine a small farmer in Africa exporting coffee at a fair price, or a woman-led cooperative in Asia selling handmade textiles to Europe. Trade partnerships build economic independence, jobs, and innovation. Now, technology partnerships. Technology is the superpower of the 21st century. SDG 17 recognizes that tech sharing is essential for progress. This includes digital infrastructure, renewable energy technology, medical research, climate data, AI-powered analytics, and high-speed internet. During COVID-19, global collaboration made vaccines possible in record time, a powerful example of partnership. Technology partnerships allow small countries to leapfrog old systems and move directly into the modern solutions like telemedicine, fintech, e-learning, and AI-based public services. When knowledge flows freely, development accelerates. Now, capacity building. Having technology is not enough. You need skills to use it. SDG 17 focuses on helping countries to strengthen their own abilities. Better governance, better institutions, trained professionals, skilled youth, digital literacy, strong public sectors, and efficient systems. Richer countries support developing nations through training programs, academic exchanges, leadership development, and knowledge sharing platforms. Capacity building creates long-term self-reliance, turning aid into empowerment. Policy and systems partnerships. Nations must align their laws, regulations, and systems if they want to solve global problems. SDG 17 promotes policy coherence, meaning that trade laws, environmental laws, economic policies, and development strategies should not contradict each other. Imagine one ministry promoting renewable energy while another subsidizes fossil fuels. That doesn't work. SDG 17 pushes for integrated policy planning at national and international levels so everyone works in the same direction. It also strengthens global institutions like the UN, World Bank, and regional partnerships to ensure coordinated action. Data, monitoring, and accountability. Data is the foundation of good decision making. SDG 17 encourages countries to collect reliable, timely, and transparent data so progress can be measured. Without accurate data, governments cannot know which policies work, which communities are struggling, and which SDGs need urgent attention. Partnerships between researchers, academics, national statistical offices, and international agencies help countries build strong data systems. This includes digital census programs, real-time climate data, economic statistics, health indicators, and online dashboards for public transparency. Data partnerships build trust and improve outcomes. Now, partnerships between governments. Global programs require government-to-government collaboration. Countries work together through treaties, summits, UN platforms, climate conferences, regional alliances, and bilateral partnerships. They share knowledge on health, climate, trade, technology, and disaster management. Government partnerships create global standards, funding arrangements, and coordinated responses, from tsunami early warning systems to green energy corridors. Now, partnerships with the private sector. Businesses play a huge role in sustainable development. They generate jobs, innovate technologies, reduce emissions, and create solutions at scale. Private companies partner with governments and NGOs to support education, healthcare, renewable energy, rural development, and digital transformation. From solar companies powering remote villages to fintech companies enabling financial inclusion. Private sector partnerships are among the fastest drivers of SDG progress. SDG 17 calls on companies to adopt responsible practices, invest in sustainability, and collaborate for impact. Now, partnerships with communities and civil society. Local communities know their challenges best. SDG 17 emphasizes working with NGOs, civil society groups, youth movements, women's organizations, and grassroots leaders. These groups bring cultural understanding, local knowledge, social trust, and community coordination. They play a crucial role in health campaigns, education programs, environmental conservation, and disaster response. When communities are partners, not just beneficiaries, development becomes sustainable and impactful. Now, partnerships with individuals. Yes, individuals play a role too. Ordinary people contribute through volunteering, awareness, social campaigns, crowdfunding, skill sharing, and responsible consumer choices. Partnerships don't always mean big organizations. Sometimes it is one person helping another. A teacher mentoring students, a doctor training nurses, or a student raising funds for a community project. SDG 17 reminds us that every person can be part of the global mission. Now we have some real stories of partnerships changing the world. Throughout the world, powerful partnerships are creating extraordinary change. Countries sharing climate technology to improve disaster resilience. Scientists across continents collaborating on medical breakthroughs. NGOs and startups co-creating low-cost innovations for marginalized communities. Farmers, governments, and companies working together for sustainable food systems. Youth networks leading climate justice movements across borders. These stories remind us that when people combine resources, talents, and ideas, miracles happen. Now the world we build together. SDG 17 teaches us a simple truth. The future is a team project. Every challenge we face, climate change, inequality, hunger, poverty, education, becomes easier when the world joins hands. No single country is strong enough, rich enough, or advanced enough to solve global problems alone. But together, we can create a world that is fair, sustainable, peaceful, and full of opportunities. Partnerships are not optional. They are the foundation of human progress. And if the world truly wants to achieve the SDGs by 2030, partnerships will decide everything. Because when the world works together, the world wins. That's all about today's session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative videos. And thanks for watching.